call this my favorite popcorn. I can call this my favorite popcorn because it's got some snacks up here. Sorry, I'm terrible at recording. There, right. Put this boy up here. One more popcorn in there, and then I'm gonna eat it. I thought that was already open. Alright, let's begin. First thing is to open this. Using one hand because the other one. I'm possibly the worst person ever to record it on video. You know how to throw it in the trash. Then you read the instructions. But these are instructions. If you have this popcorn, oh yeah, this was Orville's popcorn, so it might be a little hard. You gotta put it this side up. Open your microwave. You need to have a microwave to do this. Cook it for 2 minutes or Cook it for 2 minutes. You don't see it. You also gotta watch it. It also said that you have to watch it. It's kind of probably like a happy freeze out now. This is not my best cooking of the popcorn because actually I'm just recording. This is awkward. I'm gonna be right back. Well, now it's finally here. The popcorn. Usually get some mippets. I forgot what they're called. There you have it. Buttered popcorn. And this is my favorite type too. Not the brand, but well, it is my favorite brand, but it's also my favorite type. Butter all the way. Butter popcorn all the way. Nothing can beat butter for me. Not even this. I might add this. I mean, it's already messy enough. Then, you don't want to. You want to get a napkin, so. One more thing. Open the popcorn like this, very carefully. If it's going to be hot, so try to put your, I guess, like this. One hand. It's like an X, so let me, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm sorry. You just need to like opposite sides, like not the same side. And like, for example, one side here, one side here, then pull. Not too hard. Then you might, oh, butter. Not too soft and not too hot. You might need to kind of cut a little harder. And if you don't have permission, I'm sorry. Look at what we did over. Sorry if that was. Then you have one of the most good looking popcorns ever.